Greetings to Dr. Nurhadaya. Our project title is WeCare Upgrade IT Project. This project is presented by Ayman, Hamera, Kirthiga, Lavanya and Talasi. Have you ever been frustrated due to long waiting time to register yourself, especially when you are sick? This is due to the manual registration process. The clerk needs to go through a bunch of files before getting a patient registered. For example, there may be 10 different people with the name of ICEA. So the process is delayed. To improve the healthcare service quality, the government implemented the Electronic Medical Records (EMR) system. Skipping the hassle, now the clerk can just open a screen instead of files to create, gather, manage, record and store the patient's information. The benefits are faster registration process, storage of data is more organized and improved customer satisfaction. Datuk Seri Dr. Julkifli Ahmad, our former health minister, acknowledged that now 20% of the hospitals in the country already have an EMR system in place and is expected to expand in 145 hospitals nationwide in the next 3 years. However, the existing EMR systems are yet to be fully operational, mainly because of technology and legal-related issues. For example, the system is unable to support large data and privacy and confidentiality of patients' details are questioned. So the WeCare Upgrade project aims to address these issues. Upon completion of this project, we expect EMR to be fully operational in terms of technology and legality and improve healthcare service quality as a whole. The success of WeCare Upgrade project is important to the following stakeholders: the project sponsor, the project manager, the project team, the support staff, the government, end users like clinicians and patients, suppliers and opponents like hackers. They will be affected from the outcome of the project. The project management tools we used are Gantt chart, work breakdown structure, WBS chart, cost estimation, project charter and network diagram. Usage of these tools will be explained further.
Project charter is a formal, typically short document that describes your project in its entirety, including what the objectives are, how it will be carried out. The project title is WeCare Upgrade Information Technology Project. It begins on 2nd January and ends on 31st of December 2020. The key schedule milestones are that system planning complete by February 5th, system analysis complete by February 28th, design complete by April 16th, testing completed by November 3rd and installation completed by December 14th. It is budgeted Rm 4.4 million for hardware and software costs and Rm 800,000 for labor costs. And the project manager is Thulasi. The project objective is to upgrade the existing system to fix bugs and increase business operation efficiency and productivity within 12 months based on new corporate standards. The main success criteria is the new system meets new corporate standards within 12 months, which includes Windows 7 upgraded to Windows 10 and specified minimum IT assets for each employee, detailed inventory for all current hardware, software and network in the entire company of 2,000 employees. The approaches are to upgrade internal-based applications to smoothen transition, whereby making WeCare easier to navigate, create a detailed inventory of all the current hardware, software and network and upgrade them to meet the users' and clients' requirements, strengthen the system's security from threats, develop a detailed cost estimate for the project and send to CIO, use internal staff for planning, analysis and installation, incorporate portal technology to assess for projects. The work breakdown structure, WBS, is the tool that utilizes this technique and is one of the most important project management documents. Our WBS contains sub-activities for all the 7 SLDC activities. The SLDC activities in our project are system planning, system analysis, conceptual design, system selection, detailed design, programming and testing, and finally implementation.
Continuing on, project schedule management. In this section we will be discussing on WeCare Information Technology Upgrade Project's Gantt chart, network diagram, and critical path method. WeCare Information Technology (IT) Upgrade Project's Gantt chart includes 7 main activities from WBS. The project will initiate on the 2nd of January 2020. This is the first part of the Gantt chart where it shows the activities has been completed. Next, Part 2, this Gantt chart shows the remaining activities still on progress until 31st of December 2020. The project will take 250 working days excluding weekend and 11 public holidays that fall on weekdays according to public holidays scheduled by the Federal Territories Kuala Lumpur. This project Gantt chart timescales are inserted in weeks form. As the progress so far, there are 3 key milestones that have been met, that is the system planning complete, system analysis complete, and the design complete. According to the Gantt chart, WeCare Information Technology IT Upgrade Project are 48.48% completed until the 16th of June 20. Continue on. Critical Path Method. Critical Path Method consists of WBS network diagram. The WBS predecessors field lists the work breakdown structure codes associated with the predecessor tasks on which the task depends before it can start or finish. Each predecessor is linked to the task by a specific type of task dependency. The network diagram for WeCare Information Technology IT Upgrade Project is the activity on arrow diagram. Activity on arrow started with the node 1 and end at node 33. In this diagram, there is a few bursts and merge that occur during the journey of the process. For example, on node 17, there is a bursts that goes into node 20, 18, 19. Meanwhile, a merge occurs on node 13 where it is preceded by node 12 and 4. From the network diagram, we estimate the duration of each activity to determine the critical path. The critical path for this project is path 7 and 9 since it's the longest days to complete the overall activity, which is 221 days, which most of the tasks dependency are based on finish to start.
Hi, I will continue for project cost management part, where in this section we will show how we allocate our approved budget to complete our IT project within 1 year. Our objective is to minimize and reduce cost. Here is our project cost estimate, where the setup are divided into 5 categories of WBS. Firstly, the project management consists of a group of people who work together to make the project a success. Start from the project manager's salary to its support staff's salary. The costs are based on average monthly salary and be suited approximately to the working hours each team members involve. Next, for hardware, since it is upgrade IT project, we do not have any plan to buy a new desktop, instead we invest for a better server and storage. For your information, software contribute to the highest percentage because we decided to invest in IBM DB2 database software, which will be settled by our database designer. The pricing are based survey as we used analogous estimates. We calculated that the testing cost for the upgraded software will be 10% of both total hardware and software estimate. Training and support are important to train our team project and develop skill of our team project to assist them for the project. Lastly, reserves is needed to be kept for unexpected events. Overall, the total estimate of the project is Rm 5 million. We will control our cost by making sure the team do not exceed the approved budget and should follow the guidelines set up, and only authorized person have access to amend the budget. Manager should also reissue and update the cost estimation and show variances. Contingency plan is needed for unexpected risk.
This entire project is being shaped by several talented individuals to deliver the best output. Intrigued to know about them?
Great work comes from a great team. Now, let's look at the organization chart for this project.
The core team makes the ultimate decisions to meet the project objectives and oversee the progress of the project.
The subject matter expert, who is the Chief Medical Information Officer, evaluates the IT systems, software and applications related to electronic health or medical record. She essentially serves as the bridge between medical and IT departments.
This team manages and monitors all installed systems and infrastructure. They also install, configure, test and maintain operating systems, application software and system management tools. This team ensures the highest levels of systems and infrastructure availability.
Test engineers thoroughly check materials, procedures and mechanical or electrical systems. They run tests on various components and features in order to identify and fix technical issues.
Technical leads oversee a team of personnel focused on technical issues, including software development, product releases, and engineering tasks.
This team ensures that the technical environment is in place and operational throughout the project. It also establishes and maintains target environment for new applications while maintaining the quality throughout.
This team is accountable and responsible for defining and managing the service asset and configuration management policy and processes, ensuring integration with the other IT service management processes.
This team is responsible for the technical operations, troubleshooting, and implementation of the security solutions.
The support team maintains the computer networks of all types of organizations, providing technical support and ensuring the whole project runs smoothly.
That pretty much sums all about WeCare Upgrade IT project. A fun fact before we part our ways, Baba Black Sheep and ABCD have the same tune. Did you just start singing? Thank you and good day.